Welcome to Artec. Today I'm going to show you how to update the firmware on a Victron Multiplus or Quattro series using Victron Connect. The first thing we're going to want to do is turn the unit on. Once the unit's on, we're going to plug in our USB into our PC laptop. Once the USB is plugged into our PC laptop, we're going to open up Victron Connect. This is going to identify a VE bus device, and when it successfully identifies it, it should show up as the device. Now that the Multiplus 2 24V 3000 2x120 is presenting itself, we'll simply double click on it. This is going to bring us into the general overview. From here, in the top right corner, we're going to select the settings cog, and it's going to say settings disabled. To enable these settings, we're going to enter the password ZZZ, all lowercase, and press enter. This is going to give you access to the rest of the settings to the Victron Multiplus or Quattro. In this case, because we just want to simply update the firmware, in the top right hand corner we're going to see the three dots. We're going to select that and go down to product info. If a firmware is available, it will identify which firmware you're at and which firmware is available. You can simply press update. During this process, you'll notice that the Multiplus turned itself off and then turned itself back on as a reboot. Once this happens, you'll be presented with a firmware updated screen. You can simply click continue. It's really important to note that when you perform a firmware update on a Multiplus or Quattro, it resets all of these settings to factory default. It's really important to go back into the configure 3 and program the Multiplus or Quattro to the settings that you need. In another video, we show you how to do that. Thanks for following along today as we walk you through how to update the firmware on a Victron Multiplus or Quattro. If you have any questions, please reach out to our staff, and as always, we'll leave all of the applicable links in the description below.